Alright guys, so right now I've got a problem. My light bulb's burned out and I need to get this fixed. And I'm gonna go take it. I'm gonna go to the store. I'm gonna get a new light bulb, but we're gonna show you how to put a light bulb in my van. And this is an Uplander. This light is working and this light is not working. Light bulbs. And it's 2007 Chevrolet Uplander. Exterior.
Is this 2007?
That's 2007, that's right. Rebecca's gonna help me. What I'm gonna do is I think there's two things here. I need to take this bolt off here. So we're looking at a 10 millimeter. Looks like it's a metric size bolt. Now we'll take this off.
Take it.
There's one off. The other thing I need to take off.
Can I hold it?
Sure, you may hold it, Becca.
Okay.
Becca's gonna hold it for me. And there's one more thing I need to take off here. It's almost like an Allen key. You pull that like that.
I'll just cover my ears in case. Okay, that's good.
And pull it right out. There. There's another one you can hold on to. Thank you. And now I should be able to pull this assembly right out.
Too loud.
Go. So yeah.
Let's see if it's showing.
I am going to remove the light bulb. Turn it this way. And then it comes out like that. These two parts that come off. This one here and this one here. These two little tabs. There we go. Unplugged. This guy, the old guy, looks like it's almost the same as the new guy, which is a good sign. You want to open that up? And I forgot, I don't think you're supposed to touch this with your hands. So let's go get some gloves.
Why does it say you're not allowed to touch it?
Well, it's a halogen and it gets very hot, and any fingerprints and things like that can make the bulb burn out quicker. All right, so let's go put this back in the assembly.
Can I hold the camera for you?
It goes in like this, and you put it in. See, there's the bigger tab.
Yeah.
You put that in this right in here.
Yeah, right in.
And then you turn it clockwise.
Mm-hmm.
And then you snap this back on.
Clockwise means like.
See this little knuckle here? This snaps in. This is going to snap back on the chassis. You just line that up. Put that back in and pop. There. And then we put this back in place like this. That's snapped in, and then we put this screw in.
That screw right there.
Yep. So we tighten it up.
Then we have to test it out.
We do have to test it out.
So.
All right, let's go test it out.
For real, Dad? Dad, for real? See, this one is more shinier. For real, Dad?
All the lights are on.
This one for real is shinier than the other one over there.